Hello grade 2, welcome again with you Mrs. Minna Raouf, your science teacher. I hope you are all fine and everything is okay with you. Today we will continue our lessons talking about the magnets. In the last lesson we talked about the magnet and what mean by magnet? The magnet is a tool that used to pull some things made of iron and steels. And I told you before that the magnet has two poles, North Pole and South Pole. And also magnets has three shapes: horseshoe magnet, bar magnet, and ring magnet. Today we will talk about the things that attract by the magnet. As I told you, the magnet attract the things that made up of iron and steel. So magnet attracts some things but not others. So it just attract the things that made up of iron and steel. Like what? Like nail, key, pens, and hair holder. These all things that made of iron and steel. So they will attract to the magnet. So the things that made up of iron and steel, they will attract to the magnet. But things like paper, pencil, button, ruler, rubber band, or penny coin, all of these things will not attract to the magnet. So magnet attracts some things that made up of only iron and steel. Again, magnet attract to some things that made up only of iron and steel, but it not attract to some things that not made of iron and steel. So this is the difference between the things that attract to a magnet and the things that not attract to the magnet. Magnets do much more than stick papers to the fridge. They help us in amazing ways. Look at these pictures and see some things that magnets can do. First, magnets in the MRI machine help us to make a picture of the inside of our bodies. So, we use the magnets in the MRI machine that we have found in hospitals or lab because they would be helpful in figuring out why people are sick by make picture of inside our bodies. And also magnets use as a huge magnet that stores items made of iron and steel before they are recycled. It's useful for it makes the work go much faster. And also magnets used in maglev train. And maglev train uses the magnets to lift and move train forward. So we use the magnets in many things. So the magnets is very important in our life. Now we have finished our lesson. I hope you understood the lesson well, and don't forget your homework. Please check LMS and answer worksheet 4 and send it to me on our mail الواحة American Science Homework @gmail.com. See you. Bye bye.